Welcome to At Home with Charles Gibbs. I appreciate you joining the channel. Hey, listen, today we're going to talk about how you can upgrade your living room. Now, I'm going to do a series on how we can upgrade your whole home, and we're going to go through that, and I'm going to show you guys how you can do it yourself if you want to, if you have any skills or something like that, or if you just need ideas and inspiration. Now, I've had plenty of people come over and take my same idea, they invite me over to their house, and they put this idea into their house. So I know that this is some good information. So what I want to do today is talk to you guys. We just purchased our home about a year ago, and I've been working on this house, doing things here and there. And if you're going to be in a house for 30 years, you kind of want to make it look like you want it to look, right? And some people are okay with whatever the builder specs are. They want to go ahead and just do those things. And I'm not that kind of a guy. I want to have some custom things that are unique to me and my family, and I think that's what you should do too. You know, I don't see anything wrong with it. So we kind of went ahead and we got some of the things that we wanted, but the things we wanted to upgrade, I knew that that's what I wanted to do. So today we're going to go back a couple of months ago, and we're going to go look at the house when it was completed, and then we'll be right back. Now, you guys have seen the layout of the house, and you see it, you know, pretty much as a shell, brand new house, looks good, looks great. But I thought that we could do something a little bit more, something a little bit better to give this house a unique style and a unique look. And so now I'm going to take you guys on a little journey, and we're going to look and see how we started this as far as what do we pick out the materials, how do we go about processing elimination, and how we came up with the idea. Okay, so let's go to the store and let's go start shopping for some tile. All right, guys, so we're going in to check out some tile. So we're gonna put some tile on the. We're gonna look for some options to put on the fireplace. So we're going inside to check out the tile. So what we got? Let's go in. They got a couple of different options, but I'm looking more like a black finish, a black option to go on the fireplace. So let's see what we can find. That's like a matte, like a flat black. I got some different thoughts, but I'm thinking that's gonna work great. So let's see. See, that's black, but that's too shiny. I think that'll be too shiny. Hey, if you guys are doing a fireplace, tell me what color would you put in your fireplace? Maybe we might need to go with another option. So I like the black look, you know, just to give it like break it up a little bit. Drop it in the comments, say I like it at that point. Whatever it is, let me know, then we might go with that option too. So let's keep going. Oh, hold up. Give us some black. Too shiny though. I love this like texture. Like it's like an inlet, like a bevel edge. Alright, come on. Stop. What do you think about this, guys? Think we should go with something like this? It's got a little shine to it, but then it has like, it's really unique. I like that. I'm not sure we want to go with that, but it's kind of unique. So guys, this is like the modern side. This is really modern and clean, which is kind of what I'm looking for. Really don't know if I want to go with the shiny. Looking for more of a matte finish. Still shiny. So looking, but I love these. But this is taking up, that's too, I think that's too much for what we're trying to do. We don't want it to be too much featured because we're putting a TV on top of it. So if you guys don't know, if you watch my other videos, I talked about doing a fireplace, doing some upgrades into the house. So right now we're shopping for a fireplace backsplash, or the back, or what we're gonna put on the wall to once I build the fireplace. So that's what we're shopping for right now, to see what type of stone or whatever we're gonna put on the wall to make it look beautiful. So this is kind of what I'm looking for right here. This is the look. Nice, clean, but some shape to it. I love that. Same thing here, but I like this black. That looks good. Can you see it? Now guys, we've gotten the tile. You guys seen the process of elimination and going through how we got the tile, right? Now the hard part is, now how can we build this structure? And I'll show a video now how we built the structure, how I built the structure. I didn't know nobody else did it but me. I was kind of doing this project by myself, which is fine. I was okay with it. And how I wanted to. So I first started with the initial drawing, and then we had to put some structured things in there, some, you know, with the wood to make sure that everything sits, and that make sure this thing wouldn't come down in 2 months. So I had to make sure that this was sitting up there pretty strong and connected to the house pretty sturdy. So I wanted to make sure that I build those things out. And I do apologize, I didn't show me actually working this time, but you know, we'll get to that as I continue on to get more videos out for you guys. I'll try to do better with that. So now we went ahead, I built the structure for to put the tile up. I put the tile up, and I wanted to put a fireplace in there, as you guys, you know, seen us shopping for all that stuff. So we put the fireplace in, did an insert so the TV would sit back and mount back into the wall of the existing wall, and we just built the structure around that, and put the tile over top, and voila, we have a fireplace. We have a fireplace and TV, and a beautiful ceramic enclosed tile. So I enjoyed the project. It was great. And as a matter of fact, let's go take a look at that right now, and I will walk you through a little bit more, because I had behind it I put little lights so that you can have, so it can be backlit, kind of like this light right here. So it's like backlit. You guys see that? Like how that's backlit. We did that with the TV, the insert with the electric fireplace, you know, because we didn't want to, you know, pull permits and do stuff like that for putting the gas fireplace. For aesthetics, it's fine. You know, we got plenty of heat. The house is really, really tight when it comes to how it was built and how tight the structure is. So we're good there. So let's go take a look at the last little bit. We'll look at the tile. There's some things that I wanted to do, like miter the edges, but I couldn't miter it because how the tile was. It's like the dimensions of the tile is not, you know, it's not just your regular square tile where you can just kind of come and butt everything up like that. So let's go take a look at that, and then we'll go from there. So if you guys look at the pattern right here, this is not flat. So it's difficult to miter this because it's not flat. So it has like a raised dimension. I love that in this pattern. If I turn the TV on, you see the backlight. See how it's backlit right here? And it better shows up at night, but that's kind of how it is. It's backlit here just to give a little bit of, you know, kind of like where it sits and comes out on you. So I like that. I like that. So if we look at it in the daytime, you can see the pattern. It just sits, you know, just a little light hits it, and it has different looks every time you look at it. So TV sits there and it's backlit. I was gonna build a little box right here to put the audio box or the audio, but I said forget it, don't worry about it. We just put it over top, it's fine. So it was just it would be worse, and I wanted to give some more, just keep this pattern, keep this look, and make it, you know, stand out a little bit more. I think it came out great. And you got the recessed fireplace here, so sits on top of the tile. And come back and look at the room. It's now a statement piece in this room. I love it. You know, you guys drop a comment, tell me what you think. definitely a beautiful thing done by yours truly. Nah, but hey, you guys can do it too. Just, come up with a design and make it happen. Now, so you guys have seen everything that it took to get this tile done and how we shop for it and we look for all these things. So we added value to the house by adding this structure. Everyone that comes to this house, they're looking like, wow, what is that? How did you guys get that? Well, it was one of the things that I built, one of the things I had in my mind when I first looked at this house. We wanted to kind of design something to give some upgrades and make this thing look a little bit better. So till the next time, guys, make sure you try to watch the channel. If you got some value from this, hit the like and subscribe button, and stay tuned to the channel, because we're going to talk about some more upgrades you can do that doesn't take as much work as, say, that this fireplace took, and you guys can add that to your house and make your house have more value and have more style. Okay? Till next time.